Spicy pulled pork and black bean tacos. To make the pulled pork, heat the oil in a large flame-proof casserole pan over medium-high heat. Cook the pork in batches for 5 minutes each side or until golden brown. Transfer to a plate. Heat more oil in the pan. Add the onion. Stir for 5 minutes or until the onion softens. Add the paprika, cumin, coriander, oregano, cinnamon, and chilli. Stir for a minute or until aromatic. Return the pork to the pan. Add the tomatoes and the stock. Bring to the boil. Then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and cook for 3 hours until the pork is very tender and pulls apart easily. Transfer the pork to a bowl and use 2 forks to coarsely shred. Return the pork to the pan, stir in the beans, season with salt and pepper. If you're making this ahead, freeze the pulled pork now in an airtight container for up to 3 months. When you want to use it, thaw overnight in the fridge. Then reheat in a saucepan over medium-high heat before making the tacos. To make the taco filling, place the cabbage in a bowl. Add the coriander, lime juice, and oil. Season. Toss to combine. To assemble your tacos, fill the toasted taco shells with the cabbage mixture, pulled pork, radish, and avocado. Serve with a squeeze of lime. Tasty tacos made with easy freeze-ahead pulled pork and beans.